Curiosity can take you anywhere. But the best moments happen fast. What if you had a friend who could always keep up? What if he was like your own camera crew, ready for any adventure? What if anytime something got in the way, he could find his own way? What if you could send him out to explore? And even if he got knocked down, he could get right back up.
Hey kids, lunch is ready.
Coming!
What if he was like a blank canvas, and the only limit was your imagination? What if he could be more than just your camera? He could be part of your crew. What if he could go wherever you go, so you could just enjoy the views and your best friends? What if he didn't just capture moments, he could create them too? What if he could even help improve your game, making you a little bit better every day? And when the day's over, all your best memories are right there waiting for you. What if he was the sidekick you'd always imagined, ready for wherever curiosity takes you next? What if he's already here,